In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record cashback and statement credits in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture those rewards or credits so they reduce your credit card balance and show up correctly on your reports. Cashback and statement credits are essentially money coming back to you from your credit card issuer, either as rewards or as a credit that offsets your card balance. In QuickBooks, the cleanest way to record that is with a credit card credit, which tells the system your credit card liability went down and classifies the inflow as income. Start on your QuickBooks home screen and click the New button in the top right. From the list of transaction types, choose Credit Card Credit. This opens a form designed specifically for credits to your card. If there's a relevant payee, such as the card issuer, you can select it. If not, you can leave it blank. Next, choose the specific credit card or bank credit account that received the cashback or statement credit. Picking the correct account here is important because it's what reduces the right card's balance. Enter the date that matches when the credit appeared on your statement. Keeping the date aligned with your statement makes reconciliation easier later. Now, in the category or account field on the line item, select Other Portfolio Income. This tells QuickBooks to treat the credit as income, separate from your normal sales, which is a common practice for rewards and cashback. In the description box, add a short note like cashback rewards for March or statement credit for fees, so anyone reviewing the books understands exactly what this credit represents. Type in the amount of the credit. Enter it as a positive number. QuickBooks will record it as a credit back to your card. Take a quick moment to review. Correct card account, accurate date, other portfolio income as the account, a clear description, and the exact amount. Small details here help keep your financials tidy and your audit trail clear. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. You've recorded the credit, lowered the credit card liability, and categorized the inflow as income so it appears properly on your profit and loss and aligns with your statement. If you're ever unsure whether to use a different income category, check with your accountant for consistency with your chart of accounts. With this approach, cashback and statement credits are easy to track, transparent in your reports, and painless to reconcile.